Kublaya Pibaro, kani kalong kajing pentip kabawan lingba ka Mikalaya Public Commission adani MPSC, kani kalong kajing pentip halor ka written examination dan ka screening test na mentak kini ki post harum. Ka serial number 1, name of the post and department. Typing speed test for the post of typist in various head department, July arja absen. But serial number 2, environmental planning and protection assistant in the office of PCCF and HOFF Meghalaya, April 2025. Katarik bantho ikini examination kan long ha ulai tarik haduk kharwai tarik Oktober arja absen. But khatpra tarik Oktober arja absen. Tinamar ba ka commission kamdon ki kamra ki babon tika jing kondok ke exam ru kan long kat kum ka jing don ki kamra hakaban tho ekni ki exam tila da don kanu ke jing pen kala hakabay day bat kani ki exam na kaliang ka commission kin sa ajing tipar hadin